Fraser Watson, part owner of Rapid 3D, going into its 19th year. We were introduced to UnionTech printers about 7 years ago. It's definitely been a game changer for us. We find the machines are easy to use on the software, adjustable to tailor each and individual job that you need to print on that machine. Compared to the other competitors on the marketplace, I would say that the value for money, usability and accuracy is what attracts me to UnionTech. We took possession of the UnionTech 600, which is behind me, approximately in September last year. A lot of the competitors will make sure that you only use their materials. UnionTech have come to us with a package that allows us to use whatever material in the machines. Setup on their software package allows you to tailor-make all their settings to whatever material is in their machines. It's a really good open software package that you can set up individually for each of the materials that you want to put in there.